This is how you make a nice water fountain here. Surprised I don't see a rainbow. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to run a backhoe. The reason why you can't see me is I need both hands. These babies. So, we got to wait for that truck. Nobody panic. That's not my boss. Just act natural. Act professional. Okay. So, first thing first, you gotta pick up and you say stop with the horn. Like that. Stop. Good boy. And you just go. Have to squat down. I'm trying some food. It is, well, it's normal food, but I found it. I left it like green beans in the day, like a day in my backpack for work. I think I invented something. You ever heard of like green bean milk? Ooh. Maybe I shouldn't eat that. Okay. I don't know if I should eat this. I guess I'm gonna try it. Oh god, it touched my nose. Ah! What's the worst that can happen? It's veggie. Alright. Ha! I'm gonna patent that. I'm gonna call that green. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna call that green bean milk. No. Don't eat that. Please don't. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite plants. I love it because of the smell and everything else about it. Beautiful pine tree. Ow. Beautiful sharp pine tree. Ow. Stop. Yeah. I love this mostly because of like the smell. It's like one of my favorite things. I'll just pick this off and put it in my car. Oh god, it smells like pee! Ugh! Ah! Someone peed on it. I love it because of the smell. Oh, weirdness of it. Sharp still. I just like to pick this off. Ow! That hurt. Shouldn't be called a pine tree, should be called a cactus. Pick something up. Alright. Before it bites you, just kind of want to do it one-handed. I mean, if you have two hands. Ow! It's better. Okay, that's not pot. That's weird. It smells like a lemon. That ain't right. I keep sticking my nose today. First like rotten green pepper. This time, pine tree. Pine tree. That tree. That one. The sharp one. The mean one. The mean sharp plant. Is that a pig? No, it's a bush. We're fine. Everyone's fine.